Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by accessing Settings and tapping on Bluetooth section. Now tap on this gray sweater next to Use Bluetooth feature if it's not already on and wait for available devices. Then you need to click on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. In order to connect, you need to select Pair in it and wait for the other smartphone to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by choosing this gear icon next to the device, clicking on Forget over here, and confirming your choice by tapping on Forget Device. If you want to connect to the same one again, you need to click on it and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!